Rugged phones are an essential in lots of industries, and Ulefone makes some of the most popular. A case in point is the Ulefone Power Armor 19T, which is a chunky IP68 MIL STD810H certified smartphone that packs in all kinds of tech fine-tuned for even the most difficult working environments. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, 256GB of storage with up to 2TB of micro SD card expansion and support for dual SIMs, 12GB of RAM with virtual RAM expansion up to 5GB, making a total of 17, it is really an impressive spec sheet for this type of device. The Ulefone Power Armor 19T even packs in an impressive 108MP main camera, and that's just the base specifications. Multiple day longevity is assured thanks to a frankly massive 9600mAh battery. Yes, you heard me correctly there, 9600mAh. There's even 66W fast charging with a charger in the box that can help get that huge cell fully topped up again for another day in the workplace. 15W wireless charging is also supported, as is reverse wireless charging for all of your everyday extras such as earbuds and the like. Because you might want to use the Ulefone Power Armor 19T in all kinds of places, it comes with a 6.58-inch 120Hz LCD Gorilla Glass screen that you can actually tweak from 60, 90 and 120Hz, plus it also responds to glove usage, so there's no need to get cold fingers or take off thick protective gloves to interact with your phone's screen. Now let's talk real rugged phone features, because the Ulefone Power Armor 19T includes a real professional grade FLIR Lepton 3.5 thermal imaging sensor, and this is a funky tool that us normies may not use, but an essential in certain engineering, construction and repair industries, and it's just plain fun to use for those of us who maybe won't use it in professional settings. That's not all though, as there's a 6-pin extension port for all kinds of accessories, including things like endoscopes for snooping around corners and going under surfaces, super microscopes to get a closer look at things, plus a plethora of everyday functional accessories such as multifunctional cases and even an in-car dash or window mount so you can use this in your vehicle safely. Everything you could need from a robust and rugged phone is catered for, including port covers for extra protection, and it's all packed in for under $400, which is why Ulefone is one of the trusted brands in this industry. If you want to learn more, then visit the link down in the description below, where you can find out about Ulefone tough phones and get your own workhorse smartphone for yourself.